90% of women like this vagina the most. The psychology behind genital aesthetics. When it comes to intimate anatomy, human perception is heavily influenced by culture, media, and psychology. Studies in body image and sexual health reveal that many women internalize specific ideals about how their vulva or vagina should look, an issue that stems from misinformation, pornographic norms, and social comparison. One 2019 study published in the journal BMJ Open explored women's attitudes toward their own vulvas. The researchers found that around 90% of participants preferred the appearance of a vulva that appeared clean, neat, symmetrical, and lightly pigmented, with smaller, tucked-in labia minora. These aesthetic preferences were influenced not by biology, but by exposure to retouched or selective images from pornography, media, and cosmetic surgery websites. Psychologically, this links to the phenomenon known as genital self-image, or GSI. When women are more comfortable with how their genitals look, they report higher sexual satisfaction and confidence. Conversely, poor genital self-image is associated with sexual dysfunction, avoidance of intimacy, and even the pursuit of labiaplasty cosmetic surgery to alter labia. However, real-world anatomy is richly diverse. A 2005 study by Lloyd et al. Found that the length of the labia minora varied from 2 mm to over 10 cm, yet all of it was normal. The idea of a single, preferred, vagina is a myth rooted in narrow beauty standards. From an evolutionary psychology perspective, humans are drawn to symmetry in body parts, including genitals, as a marker of genetic fitness. But in modern society, this instinct is exaggerated by airbrushed depictions that rarely reflect natural variation. Educators and psychologists now emphasize the importance of genital acceptance, body positivity, and comprehensive sex education. Platforms like the Labia Library and outreach from sexual health professionals are working to normalize diversity and reduce shame. In short, the idea that 90% of women like one type of vagina is misleading. Instead, what most women truly value is feeling that their body is normal, healthy, and accepted, without comparison to unrealistic ideals. The most attractive vulva isn't one that fits a mold, it's one that's understood, respected, and free from shame.